Nolo Family Law Online Forms App. The pros, the cons. The Nolo Family Law Online Forms app is designed to simplify legal paperwork for family matters, but most people get this wrong when they assume it replaces a lawyer entirely. The surprising truth is that it offers step-by-step guidance for forms like divorce, child custody, and support agreements, making the process much easier for those who don't have access to full legal representation. One major pro is accessibility. The app provides easy-to-understand instructions and pre-formatted templates for family law documents across different states. Users can complete forms at their own pace, reducing stress and time spent navigating complicated court requirements. Another advantage is affordability. Legal representation in family law can be expensive, often costing hundreds to thousands of dollars. Nolo's forms are cost-effective, giving users the ability to handle straightforward matters independently while still maintaining legal validity. However, there are cons. Complex cases involving contested custody, significant assets, or unusual legal circumstances may require professional guidance. The app also does provide personalized legal advice, so users need to carefully ensure that forms match their unique situation and state-specific regulations. In conclusion, the Nolo Family Law Online Forms app is a practical tool for anyone looking to manage family law documents efficiently and affordably. It empowers users to handle routine filings while minimizing mistakes, making it ideal for straightforward cases. For more complicated matters, pairing the app with professional legal consultation is still recommended.